Right, I think we're live here. So this is basically a broadcast or a live stream, and it's on Plotly. And I've created this file, but where I actually got this from was from, well, I've used some AI help here. So I've used Claude, kind of like certain things. I'll just go through the summary, but really it's creating a Plotly file. So instead of using Matplotlib, I'm using the Plotly library, and the reason why is that the Plotly library is just slightly nicer, and I guess you see the output at the end of it. But generally, when you create a matplotlib chart, which is perfectly fine, the chart comes out as JPEG on HTML level, where you can't see the components, you can't hover over the plot. So I decided to go with plot. I might try matplotlib, see if I can do an HTML that actually where the components where you actually can hover over and see there is components. But let's just try this Plotly anyway, because I did get it to work, and let's just see what actually happens. And I'm going to edit some of it or comment it, but we've got our imports over here, and basically what you would need to do is pip install python -m pip install Plotly, and I think that's all I really did. So I didn't like the .io is one extension, and graphs of another extension, and two different kind of modules. Plotly module. So all we have to do is pip in python -m pip install Plotly. Python minus and hit that, and then here it's big. Go big. Seeing that when if I hover over it, it creates a new figure class. That's what it does. And what goes in it? Data goes data property is a tuple of proteins that they specified as, and then kind of there's some extra things in here. But basically, what we have, I'm telling it that it's here, and this is good enough for what I want. And then I've got some columns, some categories, and then some add 30, and I set the orientation horizontal. And I don't know what even happens if I set the orientation to vertical. Maybe have to And finally, all that we have to do is it looks like there's a layout here, and I did modify this a bit, but basically you've got a title, you've got your x-axis. That's pretty much it. Beyond that, once the chart there is and I guess if I pull it over, so I don't show it. Fine, I think somewhere. I can't question. I want to make it stand. I want to make a standalone 8 page. So that's kind of the question. And PIO, right? Now, I think on the original PIO, object, create object. Then if you want to display it, right, I guess plot in input output IO, right HTML, and that's basically how it is. All I really do. I'm using an absolute path just to quick about this. So this is just the path folder, and then I create a file name, and then I specify my file to this particular path of this given file name, and then finally I print out what the path and file name is, and that's basically for my convenience so that I can actually copy that path and file name and stick it into a browser to make sure that it works. This is basically the output of the code. And yeah, this piece over here. And I'm not going to open the file edit. When I did, just a whole bunch of, well, I'll quickly look at it. It's a whole bunch of gibberish. Not gibberish, but all of the HTML that's required to plot the chart. But all in background, we're not using that. We just want the nice HTML that comes out. So I've copied that. I've copied this actual path, and I'm going to go and paste it into the browser. return. And that's basically what we get with the plotly car. That was the title of it. That's how it was. Category exact values. When you hover over the chart, this is different kind of interactive and like a big chart because it enables us to have this little hover over there. But that's pretty much it. So that's a plotly could nice template. So I could really stick into a main template. Bird and back. Just need to name the top and here. That's naming the code. Create so something like make chart and band below 5 and we can take from our code here and delete it over here, keep it as content now and paste over here and just remind ourselves that Python requires indentation and we're going to return nothing from there. So we'll have a return statement. This is actually going to perform everything in the same way, but how this fits into any other kind of Python or start when I hit. Oh, so the one thing that we actually do need to do is in the main module. Chart, just like that, works module. And that's pretty much it. We could say return, for example, we could return a true if we think first. If result true, then it check the true that way. Well, I'll leave the issue because I like it to be clear. Other people like it to be success. So, final little piece, and we'll run our code. We should get exactly the same thing. Let's wait for it to date, and we get a little success message. We did go back, chart, change the number, add something else in. Give it a little kind of dignity, and we'll give it a number like 100 and scale in some way. And okay, when that in front of browser, press and there's other things that we can do as well. Plotly, and this is how we get it. That's basically it. Like, follow, subscribe, sharing, comment, improvement, comment, thanks.